If your photo looks fake or over-edited, you'll probably make one of these Photoshop mistakes. Hey, I'm Saba from Saba's Photo Studio. Today I'll show you 5 common Photoshop mistakes photographers make and exactly how to fix them. Mistake 1. Over-smoothing skin. This is the example of plastic skin, and this is the natural skin. Don't remove the textures. Retouch tones, not pores. All you can do is with low opacity brush, retouch carefully and naturally. You can see the difference between these two. Mistake 2. Crush shadows and blown highlights. If you do like this, it will be looked unnaturally. In order to have natural one, we can do, for example, using these curves naturally, like little bit light, and I will reduce highlight and reduce shadow and darks. See the difference? This is. In this case, we can protect skin tones. You can see. Mistake 3 is bad color tone. For example, in camera raw, we're doing like, I'm scrolling down, and in here we can correct skin tone. For example, this is not correct skin tone, and this is also not correct skin tone. If you do like this, this is natural and correct skin tone. You can see the before after. Mistake 4 is crunchy skin. For example, if you add too much texture to your photo, it will be crunchy. Or even you can do this with sharpening tools on Photoshop. For this clarity, this is not natural. It will cause crunchy skin tones. Mistake 5. Editing at 100% zoom. In this case, you're missing the big picture. You can switch between fit screen, 50, and 100. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment which mistake you've made before.